Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making one console the home Xbox for the account that owns Xbox Live or Game Pass. Sign into that owner account on the console, then add the second account as a local user. This lets the other account use shared benefits. Once done, open Settings, go to Account and verify subscriptions show on the home console. Do this now, because without the home designation, you cannot share licenses or multiplayer access between two accounts effectively. Next, download the games and enable the licensing on the home console so files and permissions are available. Install the same titles on the second console while signed in with the other account. The home console shares the license, so the second account can play. Once installed, make sure licenses appear under My Games and Apps Manage. If you plan multiplayer, open the game and allow any updates. These steps ensure that the second account uses the shared subscription. Finish by signing both accounts in and launching a multiplayer session to confirm shared access. If the second account cannot play, power cycle both consoles, sign the owner back in on the home console, and choose Clear Local Saved Games if prompted, then resync licenses. Also check NAT type and network connectivity, because poor NAT can block multiplayer even when licensing is correct. If you need to change which console is home, remove the setting and set the new console as home within Microsoft's limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.